What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. I've got another shoe to unbox for you today. First, a word from my sponsor, Matthew verse 27, verse 46. Did I say verse 27?
You said from our sponsor, and then you didn't say Jesus.
That's right. I was going to get there, but Matthew chapter 27, verse 46. Jesus was on the cross and he's crying out to God, my God, why have you forsaken me? In Hebrews 13:5, it says that God will never leave us or forsake us. When I read that out, I read it as God's never going to leave me or forsake me because Jesus took all the forsaking that there was to take while he was on the cross. So thank you, Jesus. This unboxing today, a couple more things first. 2,000 sub giveaways getting here quick. Make sure you're telling your friends, make sure you're telling your grandma about the channel, that we got tons of shoes that we're unboxing. I think this is one that a lot of different people are going to like. Maybe my core members maybe might not like, or subs may not like this one too much, but I'm going to like this one a lot. But share the heck out of it, smash the like button, watch as much as you can, and watch as much of the videos as you can, and comment something pertinent from the video, because the grand prize winner of my 2,000 sub giveaway is going to be my most valuable sub, and I'm going to choose that person based on their comments. I'm also going to randomly choose one person once we hit 2,000 subs to give a consolation prize to. It'll be some shoe that I have on hand. Choice of a number of different shoes that I have on hand at that time. All right, I want to give this shoe a little bit more love. Do you remember what this is called?
Zoom. I don't know. Is Zoom Comfort, isn't
Air
it?
Zoom Flight.
Oh.
95. I got some Zoom Comforts today. I ordered them.
Oh.
Then I got to be here for a couple days. Now this is the Air Zoom Flight 95. Do you remember the name of the basketball player that used to wear these?
Doncic.
No, he still plays.
I don't know.
It was Jason Kidd. He's a coach now, actually.
Oh my gosh, I thought Jason Kidd was your friend from middle school.
No.
This whole time you kept saying his name. I thought you were talking about your
Jason
friend
Kidd
from
is
middle
the basketball
school.
player who wore these shoes.
Oh.
Or the most notable basketball player who wore these shoes.
Can we cut that out of the video so I don't sound stupid?
No. So I just want to make sure that these shoes get enough love on YouTube. So I'm going to talk about them frequently. All right, let's get to this one. I can't remember if I hit on this shoe on confirmed. Nah, it had to have been confirmed, because I felt like, no, okay, I did hit on Yeezy Supply recently. I don't remember what it was. Something I thought I couldn't return. Maybe it was the blush, the 500 blushes, but I don't think that's it either. Oh well, we'll figure it out later. For right now, I want to open this. So these restocked a couple weeks ago. This one I actually just got here today. I was kind of surprised. Confirmed shipping normally happens really, really quick. Normally these shoes get here really quick. I think these shipped from California. Maybe that had something to do with it, but it took it a while.
Oh man, that looks like an empty box.
It does kind of look like an empty box. Where's it at?
I wonder what it could be. Aww.
So this is the smallest size that I could get with this, and it did say toddler, so it's the smallest toddler size. And see it up there.
Yeah.
I know that most of y'all watched, because I had a lot of comments, and I appreciate all those comments. Thanks a lot for the love. But I had a lot of comments on the huge announcement video where I had the kids unbox that, and that's how they were told that they're having another sibling. And toward the end of that, or no, after that, we also I also put some of the clip of us all finding out that it was a boy, and his name's Trent. So this is Trent's second pair of shoes. His name's gotta be great. I gotta get something smaller because he's gotta have some fire to drip, like when he's a baby, right?
Right, like he's got to come out the womb with some drip shoes on.
Well, he's not gonna come out with the shoes on.
He will. He's gonna leave the hospital with the shoes on.
No, he was gonna be in the hospital. So this is the smallest pair.
Oh, you literally said you didn't even like these. Why'd you get them for him?
Because I can. These are kind of cute. They're like
a dinosaur.
Really tall.
Like a baby dinosaur.
Like a Brontosaurus or something.
Or something, I don't know.
Man, I do like these. I
He's
mean,
not going to be able to wear those until he's like 3.
Yeah, this is not my favorite color, but feel the kush.
Feel the kush. What is the kush? This is the kush.
The bottom. Yeah,
it feels like hard.
No, it doesn't.
What are you talking? If the bottom feels squishy, but the inside bottom doesn't.
It's the same. Here they
the
are.
whole thing is the same.
They're not as cute as I thought they would be.
I think because they're too big.
Maybe that's what it is. But this is the smallest size I could get. So he's definitely not wearing these in the hospital.
His foot's gonna be like a quarter that size.
We can put them on him.
He'll look like Peyton.
So we're gonna have to hang on to these for a little while. This is a 3K. What's a 3K? A 3C? Is that what? No, those are 2C, aren't they?
Yeah.
Those are 2C.
Yeah. C is.
K must be kids and C is children.
No, C is like little baby. Like you just said those up there were C because they are.
Right, they are. But I didn't know there was a difference. 3K. France 19, Japan 120, China 105.
Boom.
So they're not as cute as I was hoping. But it's just kind of because they're so short and then they're also so tall.
Yeah.
I think I don't like that about them. But we're going to keep them anyway. I do want my own pair of these. This is not my favorite color, but I do want my own pair of these. I've got something similar coming in the mail right now. Should be here tomorrow, actually. I don't know when you're going to see any of these videos. So I think I have 10 videos
in the vault.
In the vault. It's in the vault right now. I've got 2 more videos. So right here, you can guess. If you can guess in the comments below what one of those videos will be, then I'm proud of you.
I'm trying to give him a hint here.
Well, you show it to him, I know. And that'll be. This is part of my MVS. That means you're watching and paying attention if you comment what that next video might be. But I do want to get my own pair of these. So hopefully, I'll get them sooner or later. I feel like.
Wait, I thought you had some. I could have sworn you did a review on them.
I have these.
Oh, when do you have
and
those aren't even yours.
Whose are they?
Isaac's.
No, they're not.
Bruh.
Those are mine.
You literally told me those were Isaac's.
I won those from Rodney. The Society of Soul Bros.
Society of Soul Bros.
Fam. It's the Soul Fam.
Oh. I thought those were Isaac's.
We're about to record another Soul Fam video, so stay tuned for that. I don't know, you might actually see it before this, but I guess we'll keep this short. We'll end it now. This is the Yeezy Foam Rnr Sulfur in the 3K. This is the smallest size they make. It's not as cute as I would have hoped. That's because he's not going to be able to wear it for a few years. But we're going to hang on to it because it might be worth, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 by then.
Then he won't be wearing them, but he'll be making $3,000.
He'll be wearing a different pair, not this one. So make sure, like I said, you tell your grandma. I think your grandma's going to want to see these little baby shoes because she's probably got some little babies that she can buy these for. I think these were $40. And they'll last for a couple weeks probably. So great investment.
Yes, I would have bought those if I was you.
Yeah. So tell your grandma. Make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you're subbed. Share my video. Share it where you can because we got to get to 2,000 subs. We're kind of stalled for like the last 10 subs or so. It's 1,730 in the 30s. So let's get this going. Tell your friends. Tell your grandma. I'll see you next time.
You're so pretty.
I'm so glad.
Juice. Shoes. And I like shoes.